Hello all, today we are going to see the topic about Bayes classification method. The Bayes classification method is based on the Bayes theorem and it is also known as statistical classifiers, which is used to predict the probability of class items, which means if the given data item is belonging to the particular class or not. So the biggest advantage of the Bayesian classifiers are it is very accurate, exhibit high speed, and they make process of computation simple. That is, computation process will be simple. It is as efficient as the decision tree and neural network classifiers. Okay, then the term comes here, an important term is conditional probability, which is P of A given B is equal to, you need not pronounce it as A divided by B. You need to pronounce it like A given B is equal to probability of A intersection B divided by P of B. From this expression we can get to a conclusion that what we can find is after the occurrence of B, what is the probability of occurrence of A. Okay, we can also write it for after the occurrence of A, what is the probability of occurrence of B, and we can keep this formula as 1 and keep this formula as 2. Then we can simplify it and we can get the final equation like P of A given B, P of B is equal to P of B given A into P of A. In these two expressions, P of A intersection B is common, so we can cancel it and it will get cross multiply. Okay, like here in the Bayes theorem, the four things are P of A given B is posterior probability, P of B given A is likelihood, P of A is prior probability, and P of B is marginal probability, where A is the hypothesis and B is the evidence. Hypothesis in the sense we'll create or imagine a scenario and we need to find whether it will happen or not, and B is the evidence. Like for example, I am taking the example of card of decks, where probability of finding a king against face, like if I take a face card, what is the probability of king card will come. So probability of face given king into probability of king by probability of face, and probability of getting my king card, which is faced one, is 1, and the probability of getting a king is from the deck of 52 cards is 4, and divided by probability of face cards is 12 divided by 52. Upon cancelling it, I am getting the probability like if I take a face card, what is the probability of getting the king card is 1 by 3. That's it. Thank you.